Hi beauties, welcome back to today's video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use your potato juice to remove your dark spots, acne, look young, to look beautiful. I use it twice a week. I recommend you to use it same twice a week. Sometimes I use it in the morning or evening before going to bed. So keep watching and watch the way I achieve this. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use your juice and the made potato for your face. So keep watching in the end of the video, but the main video is all about how you can use your juice water. But in the end, I'm not going to be wasting this made potato. I will show you guys how you can still use it on your face. So keep watching. So guys, this is the juice water. So as you can see, I press it out. So this is the juice from the potato. So this juice, I apply it on my face. You can do it two ways. Let me show you. This one here is the made potato, then this is the juice. So this is mixed with milk. As you can see here, it's mixed already with milk. I made a video of it. You can use this, apply it, it will stay on your face for 10 minutes. After, whisk it away. Then you can use the two together at the same time. But me, I use sometimes this, sometimes this. But for a great result, if you have a lot of pimples, you want to get rid of it fast, this is natural, just potato and milk. So you can apply this milk and the potato on your face, leave it for 10 minutes. After, wash it away. Then after, you use your tissue, like clean something you use to clean your face, or if you have brush, you can apply this in any way you can apply it, and it will be better for you. Apply it and leave it for 20 minutes. Afterward, wash it away with your face soap. For me, I have a face soap. I believe everybody have a face soap. Wash it away with your face soap, and then rub your face cream if you have. Just put your face cream. So this how I use it. Or if your face is good and you just want to be maintaining your face, you can still use this, or you choose one of the two. You can use this, but me, sometimes I go for this, for the juice. I apply it for 20 minutes, then after 20 minutes I wash it away. Then you see me, I use it once a week. But if you want to get a great result, like you want fast result, I recommend you to use it twice or 3 times a week. Okay, I will see you guys on my next video, and don't forget to like this video if you enjoy watching. Leave your comment, tell me any video suggestion you want to watch on this channel, so I will be gladly to reply I will reply you very fast. So leave your comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel. On your notification bell so you get notified. I love you, Jenny, love you guys. Bye for now. See you guys on my next video. Mwah.